time. Timer, please. Sige, we will give you 2 minutes kung sino pinakamaraming malalagay dito sa likod. So, yung panalo. Pwede umulit. Kasi, 2 minutes. Okay, timer, please. Pwede na, 2 minutes. Okay, chat ako na lang. Timer. Okay, get ready. 2 minutes ha, 2 minutes. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go!
Take your time.
Okay, take your time, focus. Okay, pass na ka na, kabila, next player. 1 minute and 48 seconds. Okay, may na-response na agad. Sige, hindi ko tapos. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Ulit. Okay, good shot, MVP. Okay, paso sa kabila. Okay. Hindi. Basta kailangan matapos. Okay. Kailangan matapos yung nasa likod.
Wala na tayong pag-asa.
Okay, 1 minute and 20 seconds. Okay, 1 minute more. Sige, TV. Okay, pasa. Remember, bawal tumawa. Okay. Good. Next player, please. Okay, 50 seconds. Sige, bigyan natin ng chance na umawal ang PBA. We will extend. Sige, another 1 minute. Extension. Pwede ba umawal? May pagkalihan yung power. Okay, 1 minute. 45 seconds to go. 45 seconds. Okay, meron pa. 30 seconds.
Habulin natin sila.
Habulin mo sila.
Bawa naman kayo. Pugahan mo si Glenda.